guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this beautiful 14-inch curly wig. This is how it's looking when it's dried. Like, do you see those curls? Like, do you see? Yeah. But I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they sent me some stocking cap, a little package with a headscarf and something in between. I don't know what this is, but I think it's a mirror, and some baby hair combs. So that is what they sent to me inside the package, and also the wig, of course. Now I am going to be jumping right into the installation of the wig so you guys can see what the wig looks like before I got it to look like this. So let's check that out right now.
miss? Did he miss? Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my 4 5 sums. 4 5 sums. 4 5 sums. 4 5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, nigga want tell me, we going.
Okay guys, so this is the next day. So the hair is now dried. I went ahead and I added some layers, and then I fixed the front part because before I had the baby hairs close, and I was just like, no, I feel like I don't want any baby hairs showing. I just want it to look as natural as possible, so it looks like my hair. And this is what it looks like. All I did literally was just spray it, wet it up, and fluffed out the front part right here to get it to look like this. That's all I did. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you guys want to purchase this unit, then definitely check down below in the description box. But for now, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.